Knife skills are vital in the kitchen. That's why I'm partnering with Knife Aid, my favorite knife sharpening company, to show you a few. All you got to do to cut your perfect summer melon is cut the top and the bottom off to create a flat surface. Trim off that rind, then cut horizontally and vertically. You're going to have these nice snackable chunks that are also perfect for fruit salads. Now onto the bell pepper. You want to trim the bottom, again, make a flat surface, and then trim the meat off of that pepper. All those seeds will stay with the stem and they're not going to be all over your board. I don't know about you guys, but I hate stopping in the middle to just clean up those seeds or getting them all in my food. Then you can get those beautiful juliennes and the Bourgeois or small cuts with ease. Now I'm gonna show you one of my favorites. This is the last one we'll do, is the bias cut. This is what you see in all like the stir fries and the garnishes. All you have to do is take it on an angle and cut a really thin slice. You're gonna have these beautiful garnishes every time. This is why I stick with Knife Aid and keep my knives nice and sharp.